Good morning friends. Today it is 19, so you could see August month 19, and we only have a week left for expiry for Nifty and Bank Nifty. That is going to be a monthly expiry for us. So this week up till here, third week, markets were sideways. Now you can expect a very nice move in the last week, so watch out for all the stocks. We'll start as usual with our Nifty. So here I have Nifty's chart. Okay, so before going on to the concept, I will tell you the basics. So we are basically option sellers, or I teach option selling. There could be two types: call selling and put selling. Whenever call selling is considered, it acts as resistance and price action will go down from that strike price. If it is put selling, then it acts as support, then price action will go up from that strike. So this is the difference, and it is exactly opposite when it comes to buyers. Okay, so first one is Nifty. So yesterday we had the nice close, sideways close. Yesterday's open was 24,200. Okay, now here is 24,200. This is our open ATM. Okay, so when you check for straddle, 31 against 170, so you could see straddle was very positive. Okay, and when you check for strangle is basically, in our case, it is OTM, so we are not bothered about ITMs. So you could clearly see it is positive. Okay, and when you check for Nifty's price action, let's get into the chart. Okay, so yesterday we had a small gap down, and then when you see upper range, it was 250, and the lower range it was 150. Okay, so price was opening here and it touches the first candle and then goes sideways, and at the end you could see profit booking. So close was near support yesterday. So today we could see either a gap up and then going up because it has to hunt the SL, or it will be sideways because IV is very less. So I'm showing for Nifty and Bank Nifty. In your case, you have to do the back testing for Midcap Nifty and Finnifty. Okay, so let's move on to Bank Nifty. And you check for Bank Nifty open. Open was 57,300. So this was the open. When you check for straddle, 137 and 300. So definitely, sorry. So this was a positive close. Okay, when you check for strangle, so this is our strangle OTM. So sorry, this is also positive. Okay, and when it comes to BNF price action, the resistance and support. So when you check the resistance was exactly at 600, 57,600, and support was at 200. Okay, so first candle itself the SL hunting has done, and the second candle, and then after that it was just sideways. Okay, so today also we can expect some sideways. It depends completely upon Nifty. Okay, moving on to the OI part. So here OI we have to consider two things. One is this expiry, another one is next expiry. So this is for 18th expiry, that is yesterday. And then you could see PCR. Nifty was 0.5% down, max pain was 200, and the close was around 200, and this was the range for Nifty. Okay, so here you could see clearly addition has happened in both cases, and then price action was balanced. Okay, Now when you check for the next expiry, it would be different. Okay, so when you check for OTM, then you could see 766 and 360, while here it's 555 and 127. So clearly they have added too many positions here in the call side. So this outcome can be two different, right? If it does profit booking, then price action will go down. Okay, if it does more addition in the call side, then price action will be down. So this is two case study, case 1 and 2. Okay, let's see what happens. Obviously this is balanced out by put also, you have to check. Now we'll go to Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty we need not to worry because it is monthly expiry. Either way, the expiry is on 25th. PCR is 0.7, max pain is at 600, and then you could see now it is 300. That means they are predicting that market could move, shift till here. That means market could go up way, and this is the support and resistance. Okay, when you check for OTM, then you could see clearly profit booking here. Okay, but 90 against 221, definitely call is more. So if max pain is true, then the case study will be profit booking at the call side. That will move the price action in the upper direction. I'll put price action. Okay, or if this is steadily increasing, then you could see a case 2. So this is case 1. Case 2, price action sharply falling down. Okay, either way, this week's support and resistance is very crucial points you need to watch out.